Okay, so we're trying to find domain and the range of this function. So you already said it's a function. And this is actually, see, this point right here. Okay, so when you do this, x, y squared, this is basically the y value. So your function is y equal to x squared. And y equal to x squared, so just to give you a quick overview of this. So you can find a point in this relation by just making a small table here. Let's say you started with, let's say, -2, and this will be -2 squared, so that's 4. And while I'm doing this, I'm also trying to put a graph over here so you can see clearly. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So -2, 4 is this point here. And if you plug -1, this is -1 squared equals 1. So that's this point right here. If you pick 0, then it will be 0 squared equals 0. So you have 0, 0. That's this point. If you pick 1, 1 squared is 1. So that's going to be this. If you pick 2, 2 squared equals 4. So that's going to be this point right here. So now when you connect these dots, you will get this parabolic shape or curvy shape. So in general, I can choose many x values I want, right? And then I can produce a y value. So notice here, see, all the y values are bigger than 0, bigger than equal to 0. So in general, this will keep going to infinity. This will keep going to infinity. So the smallest y value you get is basically 0. So when you write down your domain is the restriction you put on x, but we do not have any restriction here. We can pick any y value we want. So here, basically, domain will be all real numbers. So if you're putting your answer as an interval, you will just put this. But the range, the smallest one is 0. So you're starting from 0, 0, and 0 is included, and you're going all the way to infinity because you can produce many different y values you want. So then this is from 0 to infinity. So I just basically just create a small table, and I also have an idea about the graph and know what's the smallest y value and know what's the what type of x value that I can pick. So that's basically it.